never will.
Lie, you're gay.
Ah,
You're gay.
Bro, who cares who's gay or not?
I care.
Have you not heard of flop
What
talk?
do you-
Crazy.
Then leave the server.
You're gay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not gay.
You're gay.
No, I'm not.
You're gay.
No, I'm not.
You're gay.
I'm just gonna
Gay
leave this
bitch.
on my
Who has
YouTube
bitch?
channel.
Faggot ass bitch.
Fuck. Don't you fucking call
Budding.
me.
Go.
That's what I fuck.
You go on a budding.
Motherfucker.
Faggot. You're a
Holy
faggot.
shit. Don't fucking go on.
Boy, go.
Fuck.
Yeah, he left.
Go on a budding.
Motherfucker, shut the fuck up.
Budding, budding, budding. Faggot, faggot, faggot.
What do you mean my boyfriend's hot picture? I'm not fucking hot.
No.
The fuck, bro? Who the fuck is this obscene boyfriend? Holy shit.
Oh,
I
it's
am
me.
your
I'm so
boyfriend.
sorry. Like,
I'm not cheating on shit, bro.
You're cheating
you're
on me.
cheating
man.
on me with another man.
I'm not fucking cheating on no men. The fuck, I'm not gay.
Bro, you're gay.
What the
This is
legit?
why you're gay.
I'm not.
Oh yeah, you're now a man?
How?
You're gay, bro. You're gay.
No, I'm not.
You're gay.
Gay, 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 gay,
Gay.
No, I'm not gay.
Gay.
Copa.
Gay. 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 Gay.
What's it like to be gay, bro?
Yeah, for real.
No, he doesn't like it.
Do you get turned on by the paperclip guy from Microsoft Office?
What? No, fuck.
You get
No.
turned on by the guy from Microsoft Office?
No,
Yeah,
I
the
don't.
paperclip guy.
I don't turn on fucking Microsoft. The fuck?
I get turned on by
No, you're lying. You're kind of gay.
I'm fine with it. Turn on by what? Turn on by what?
by these balls
The
in your jaw.
paperclip guy from Microsoft Office.
Okay. How the fuck do I get turned on by these balls in my mouth? The fuck?
Can I
So
put
you
my
admit you have
balls
balls
in
in
your
your
job? My
No, I don't have balls in my
balls.
mouth. Fuck.
Bro,
just admitted it.
I don't have
can I put my
fucking
balls in your
testicles inside of
job?
my
My
mouth. The fuck?
balls in your job.
This is weird as shit.
Motherfucker!
Can I put my balls in your job?
What for?
Balls in your job.
Fuck.
In it, fam. In it.
Moshe.
In it,
Aye.
fam.
Can I put my balls in your job?
No.
That's kind of gay.
Respect. Respect.
Konnichiwa.
Shut up, Ligma. Mongos.
Mongos. Okay, how do you say goodbye, bro? Goodbye, my little girl.
Okay, let's see about the other servers because I left.
So hold on.
Bro, I'm not being shy. Who the fuck is this obsidian's boyfriend? I don't have a fucking boyfriend and I never did. I'm not lying for shit, bro. Oh my fucking
Gay.
god. I'm not.
Gay, 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 gay.
Yeah.
Gay.
Get
I'm gay, bro.
Stop. I'm not.
You're gay.
No, the fuck, I'm not. I'm gay. Not.
Sorry, guys. Sorry I did not say anything. So this is a challenge, so I prepared and know the wolf server what's happening. And I went somewhere. Okay, probably went to the back. Okay, there. Shit. Well, I already deactivate the server, so I'm eating some chocolate. I'm just gonna do it. Okay.
Gay.
No, I
You like
don't.
big dicks, aren't you, bro?
What the no?
Lie. I smell lies.
Bruh.
I smell lies. You want like ugh,
What do you mean 10 skulls?
gay bitch.
If there's fucking 10 skulls, I'm gonna fucking.
Can I put my balls in your jaw?
No, fuck! Why the fuck do we already have 4 skulls? Bro, I'm not fucking shy.
Okay.
Why the fuck did they change the 4 skull?
Can I put my balls in your jaw?
Mm,
Bro, I'm
Gay.
not a fucking good boy.
Can you buy me class 193 up?
No!
Then you're gay.
God, it's. Nah.
Gay.
Nah.
You're gay, bro.
What?
You're gay, bro.
No, I'm not.
You're gay.
No, I'm not.
Gay.
No!
Gay.
What? I don't like men, the fuck?
You're like men, bro.
No, I don't!
You do.
No, I don't!
Obsidian.
Don't fucking
Gay.
whisper my
Obsidian.
fucking name.
You're
Stop fucking whispering my name!
gay.
What?
You're gay, bro.
Obsidian.
yep.
You're gay, bro. You're not a gay. That's not a gay. Or you're gay.
No one's
Oh, I'm
banned
not!
from the
Not
server.
gay.
Obsidian and
Yeah,
gay
shut the
are
fuck up, bro.
lucky, bro.
What? What the fuck did you just say? You said you kiss guys, you dug that
Fuck.
hole yourself. I didn't dug no fuck!
Obsidian, you kiss, guys.
No, I didn't!
Oh, she gone.
Obsidian, you love guys, bro.
Finally, she
You
gone.
love guys, bro.
Bruh. What the fuck is this?
What?
Bruh. No! I don't like kissing guys. The fuck?
Yeah, you do.
You
Yeah, you
gonna
do.
put
Yeah,
tongue
you
in
do.
No
fucking mouse,
one
bro? No.
likes to. Kissing guys.
Yeah, you do.
Hold on.
HD.
Bruh.
Hmm.
Bro, some fucking hellhole just fucking delete a fucking message, call me a fucking good boy or some shit. Fucking
Good boy, bro. Good boy.
No, I'm not.
Oh, so you're a bad boy, huh?
No, fuck.
No, leave him alone.
I like him bad, you know.
Get out.
I love me a baddie.
Get out.
Nah.
No, I don't
No,
like
I'm
fucking.
leaving then.
Okay, so I'm just gonna watch some YouTube. It's been 10 minutes, so that's all. Bye.